Imagine waking up in a world where your office is no longer a physical space, but a virtual landscape. 10 years from now, work will be transformed by technology in ways we can only begin to grasp today. Picture this. Instead of commuting through traffic, you'll slip on a VR headset and step into a digital workspace, collaborating with colleagues from around the globe as if they were right next to you. Remote work will be the norm, not the exception. Companies will embrace a hybrid model, allowing employees to choose where they work best. This flexibility will lead to a happier, more productive workforce. We'll see a rise in work from anywhere policies, where your office could be a beach in Bali or a cozy cafe in Paris. The traditional 9 to 5 schedule will fade away, replaced by results driven timelines that prioritize output over hours logged. Artificial intelligence will play a significant role in our daily tasks. Imagine having an AI assistant that can manage your calendar, analyze data, and even draft reports. This technology will free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on creativity and strategic thinking. We'll be collaborating with AI, not competing against it. The jobs that exist today will evolve, and new roles will emerge, focusing on human skills like empathy, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, qualities that machines simply can't replicate. The workplace will also become more inclusive and diverse. With advancements in technology, companies will be able to tap into a global talent pool, breaking down geographical barriers. This will lead to teams that are richer in perspectives and ideas, fostering innovation and creativity. Diversity will not just be a checkbox, it will be a core value that drives business success. Sustainability will be at the forefront of corporate culture. As awareness of climate change grows, companies will adopt greener practices. Remote work will reduce carbon footprints, and offices will be designed with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies. We'll see a shift towards a circular economy where waste is minimized and resources are reused. Mental health and well-being will take center stage. Companies will prioritize employee wellness, offering flexible schedules, mental health days, and access to wellness programs. The stigma around mental health will diminish, creating a culture where employees feel supported and valued. In this future work environment, lifelong learning will be essential. As industries evolve, so will the skills required to thrive in them. Continuous education will become a part of our careers, with companies investing in training programs and personal development. We'll embrace a mindset of adaptability, ready to pivot as new technologies and methodologies emerge. So, as we look ahead to the next decade, it's clear that work will be more flexible, inclusive, and innovative. We'll harness technology to enhance our capabilities, prioritize well being, and create a workplace that reflects the values of a new generation. The future of work is not just about where we work, it's about how we work and the impact we make together.